In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view muted channels on Slack. If you've muted certain channels to keep your sidebar cleaner or reduce distractions, there may come a time when you want to see those conversations again without unmuting them permanently. Slack makes this pretty simple, but the option can be easy to miss if you don't know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to make muted channels visible in your workspace. To get started, open Slack and look toward the left side of the screen where your workspace navigation appears. From there, find the gear icon, which gives you access to workspace settings and display-related options. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the menu. This menu controls a few different ways your Slack workspace is displayed, so if you've never opened it before, don't worry, you're in the right place. The goal here is to change how muted conversations appear in the sidebar, which is especially helpful if you've hidden them in the past and now want a quick way to bring them back into view. Once the settings menu is open, look for the option labeled Show Muted Conversations. When you see it, click it. As soon as you select that option, Slack will update your sidebar to display channels and conversations that were previously hidden because they were muted. This does not mean those channels are unmuted. It simply makes them visible again, so you can browse them, open them, and check for anything important you may have missed. This is useful if you want to keep notifications minimized while still having easy access to lower priority channels. It's a good middle ground between fully following a conversation and hiding it completely. If you work in a busy Slack workspace, this setting can help you stay organized without losing track of muted discussions. If you don't see the channels right away, give the sidebar a quick scan and make sure you're looking in the correct section. Depending on your Slack layout, muted conversations may appear a little differently, but enabling this setting should make them visible again. And that's all it takes to view muted channels on Slack. Open the gear icon, select Show Muted Conversations, and your hidden muted channels will reappear in the sidebar. It's a fast and useful setting to know anytime you need better visibility into your workspace without changing your notification preferences.